Okay guys, so here we are and this is Mitsuki Garden. As you can see behind us, that is our hotel room for tonight. I'll bring you inside. Now this is our lunch for today. Getting the grilled chicken for some snacks later. So here we are at a rabbit farm. Instead of just having rabbit, they have everything. They have horse, they have cow, and this is a parrot. I'm pretty sure these are not sheep, but who cares? Get it. Oh, you drop everything.
This time we're gonna get funky. Funky.
Okay guys, so basically we just came back from the rabbit farm and now we're waiting for dinner and I'm hungry. Our food is finally here. Let's get started.
This time we're gonna get funky.
Look at how fancy this dish is. Look at it. So that's all for today guys. Stay tuned for episode 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. That's all for today guys, and again, goodbye.